Morning guys, just wanted to send you a quick video to give you a bit of an idea of what's going on with my equipment. Just to show you, here's my radio gear. I'm using DSMX, obviously protocol at the moment, 7 channels. This is currently bound. I've literally just bound it, as you can see. The bind plug is in and everything's working. Now I'll switch her off, cut the power, remove the bind plug, take the DSMX telemetry module, plug it in as per the instructions, so yellow line to bind. That's then plugged into the telemetry radio here, obviously to receive a bind in the right way, and I'll insert the bind plug a second. It's quite tricky to do one-handed. Hold on a second. And there we are. So now with the bind plug in, I'm going to power up the helicopter. So we've got a red flashing light there, red flashing light on the receiver, red flashing light on the telemetry module. Now I will bind the transmitter. There are no lights on. We get a flashing light, then solid lights on everything else. We've also got full control, as you can see. I'll now power off the system, power off the radio, remove the bind plug, and power up everything again. So, transmitter on, radio on, and as you can see it goes into bind. Now both of my 10 channel Lemon receivers do this. I haven't managed to find one that doesn't actually. If I turn off the helicopter, remove the telemetry module and start it up again, it just goes straight in, gets signal locked and is ready to fly. Can't work this out. Just to show you, I'll do another very quick test for you. Let's grab a flight battery a second. If I plug in a DSM2 now, radio module, for the purposes of testing, I'll just plug this one in here. I've got it connected to a Spectrum satellite, obviously one of your satellites. Let's connect this up. So I want this one in the bind socket. Sorry about doing this one-handed, but got no camera crew today. So that's plugged into the bind socket. Hello cat. We then want to insert the bind plug into the unit itself, which I'm now doing. Now we'll power this from the helicopter's built-in battery, just a standard sort of 4.8 volt. And of course, get that plugged in. Oh, it's a Futaba plug. Sorry guys, give me 2 seconds. Need to try and work out how to best do this. Plug it up here. Okay, we'll use this this back, switching back that I've got here. So grab that. Plug in power, so 6 volt there, and then plug in the transmitter as before. Now if I pick you back up, you'll see we've got flashing bind light on the radio module, and flashing bind light on the telemetry. Now obviously I'm going to mess up my binding here for the other one, but swap that to DSM2, as you can see. Press bind, binding in progress, lights are off, flash flash flash, give it a second, lights are solid. So now in theory all the lights are on, we've got a green light indicating data. If I turn on telemetry a second, you'll actually see that here we are. We're actually getting a voltage and a temperature being broadcast across. If those are lost for whatever reason, they turn red. on my radio module. But anyway, unplugged it. I've now taken out the bind plug. I'll plug in power again. As you can see, we've got flashing lights to indicate loss of power. The telemetry module just booted up, although maybe with a slightly flickery light. That's interesting. As I said, we're getting feedback there to say that the module's working. I'm not getting any altitude readings at all, but I think that may be down to the software that I'm running. But thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you can help me out. It's either a duff telemetry module, although my money is actually more on an incompatibility with my 10-channel receivers. As I said, I've got 2 of these. There's yet another helicopter there. But here's my TRX 600. This is the one that I tested with yesterday. That's fitted with another 10-channel receiver, which again shows the exact same problem. Just jumping straight to bind. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll speak to you later.